after me. I
I,
state your name, please,
Jesus Steve Nagbayan Bermuda,
of your address, please,
dating tapos dito ng Village, Castina City,
having been appointed
having been appointed
to the position of Ombudsman,
to the position of Ombudsman,
do hereby solemnly swear
who hereby solemnly
that
swear
I will faithfully discharge
that I will faithfully discharge
to the best of my
to
ability
the best of my ability
the duties of my present position
this is my position
and of all others that I may hereafter
and all
hold
others under here of the board
under the Republic of the
under
Philippines,
the Republic of the Philippines.
that I will bear
I will bear
true faith and allegiance to the
faith and
same,
allegiance to the same,
that I will obey
that I will obey
the laws,
the laws,
legal orders,
legal orders,
and decrees
and decrees
promulgated
promulgated
by the duly constituted
by the
authorities
duly constituted
of
authorities
the Republic of the
of the
Philippines,
Republic of the
and
Philippines.
that I impose upon this obligation
And I also
This
this obligation upon myself
voluntarily,
voluntarily
without mental reservation
without mental reservation
or purpose of evasion.
or obligation.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations.